Alright, so check this out. This is 3 offers that we have right here. We got a belt knife. We got a little credit card multi-tool. And we have credit card knife over here on the other side right here. Let's check this out. Got this belt knife right here. I think this is a pretty cool offer. Strap that around you. And it goes to an adjustable length. See, here's your buckle. Put that on. It adjusts to however you need it, specifically for you. So it adjusts specifically to how you need it. Just snap that on. Make it go wherever you need it. Now I'm not 100% sure, but you might be able to get a few different sizes, because I know that that's not too big, depending on what size you need. Yeah, just snaps on like that. Just snaps on. And then that knife comes right out of here. See? Got a knife, bottle opener, serrated edge. That buckle's pretty clean. Me personally, I like this. You know, I'm real pleased with my purchase. See, and then it just snaps right back in there. Snaps right in there. And then you get your credit card knife that you could get as well. Shoot. See, right here, it just folds over. Boom. Snaps. Closes right up. Boom. You know. Bam. And then you got your little credit card multi-tool right here. And it tells you, it even comes with a little paper that tells you what everything is. On this other side. It's pretty cool, man. Pretty cool little multi-tool. Just gonna get you one.